I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you...
That was sweet. Why am my cup sweet today? Anyways, whatever. Never mind. But hello, you guys. Today I will be doing, I don't know what to call it, so I'm just gonna show you what it is. Honestly, I've been just out. This is what I'm going to be creating on my face. I think we're just gonna go ahead and get right started. So from how it looks like she probably started with a pink and then a purple and then added some orange, maybe a little red. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start with Love Letter. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Oh, I shouldn't have went all the way over. It's gone. We fixed it. So, then Love Letter, just little circles and running out. Not going all the way over. Just stopping right here, because over here, this space right here, we're gonna put orange in that space. It's pretty perfect to my picture. And I'm trying to think, we're gonna work on darkening that up before we add colors. I just took this red color right here, I put it in the inner corner and just smoking it out. If you see me look down a lot, it's because I have my reference page right there. Look at it. I think I'm gonna add in that little red, pink color, whatever color you want to call that. Working it in, blending it together. Yeah. I think that Rhubarb might be a little bit too dark for what I'm going for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one. It's always hard to open. I got it. I'm actually going to take this orange right here and I'm going to mix it with this color right here. But I'm just going to start with the lighter orange. I'm not going to use my good brush. I'm going to use one of my order brushes. I'm not going to use a big fluffy brush, which is weird because I don't really use big fluffy brushes for eyeshadow. I use it to like set my eyes. I'm gonna and we're gonna go in with this orange shade. I'm just gonna alright there. Now I'm looking at it. The girl, she might have used this actual palette, the Anastasia palette, because the colors are like exactly the same. Pause. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like my forehead is breaking out really bad. And I'm not feeling it. I'm really not. I'm upset. Hello? And I think I'm going to take this one just to add a little bit more color. Use it as a transition color from the pink to the orange. It's missing something. My oranges are a little off. Other thing I would like to say is when copying somebody else's or recreating somebody else's makeup look and you don't know exactly what they used, your thing is not going to look exactly like theirs because you probably used a different thing than they did. So with that being said, the colors might be a little off, but the idea is there and it's basically there, you know. You just can't get all the way right. So I think I'm done with the orange. No, I'm not. I lied. I could add it on. Now I think I'm done with the orange. Now I'm gonna go back and put there. I'm gonna go back and want to add some more pink because I kind of lost the pink in the way. And I'm gonna take burnt orange right here. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna take burnt orange and I'm gonna mix it with Real Guard. I'm gonna add it right here. Okay. Then I'm also gonna go back in with Love Letter and add it because, like I said, the pink kind of got lost along the way. When you do this, try to drag the pink more inwards. Like, yes, it is orange right here, but try to drag the pink right there. Like, somewhat trying to drag the pink under the orange, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take Red Orchid, this thing right here, and I'm going to add it a little bit in the inner corners. Up close, I'm not really feeling it. I think I'm gonna go back in with Love Letter and add some more right here. Really smoke it out. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of Real Guard, just a tiny bit. See that? That's a tiny bit. And I'm gonna add it right here. Oh, I think some of the pink went in there. This one is already orange, so I'm gonna mess up what we have going on. Tiniest bit. And I'm gonna go back in with the other orange. And like right here, be careful not to mess up the pink that we worked ever so hard on. Now here is the part that I was kind of dreading, but not really. If she takes, wait, I'm just gonna show you. So she has this white right here, and then it fades into like an orange and that. So I think I'm going to I'm going to take some concealer and I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I'm gonna go about to like right here, and that's where I'm gonna add some orange in. The trick of creases is, look up, see how it transferred? Okay. Now that we got that going, make sure you go all the way over. And I'm not gonna give you this whole speech that we just had last video about the color of the concealer and da da da, because I already had it, so you already know. If you're new and you don't know, then I would go and check out my other video and you will get the whole 5-minute speech about it, because it's what I gave. And we're also using the same color as last video, so I really don't have to go over speech because I already gave it. One thing that I don't think I mentioned in my last video is that since my eyes are more saggy, kind of, sort of, if I wanted to go up a little bit more with the cut crease so I could look this way and this way and you could see it, I could go up just a little bit more. But I think this time it kind of went up a little more than it did in the last video. So I don't think I'm going to add anymore because I can look at y'all. I kind of took my hair a bit, but I can look at y'all and y'all can see it. But I think I might go just a wee bit more. Because I have the eye shape that I have to, it's kind of like how you overline your lips. That's kind of how it is when you do cut creases and stuff like that. We're just overlining your crease. And once again, with the brushes, we're not going to have that speech because we already had it in the last video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the last video. So I think I'm going to take the white and this palette, and I want to use that because the white is more opaque. And, no, do with that. This is really making me mad. It doesn't work like I want you to. Hello. Obviously, she cut this crease and she added white to it. I don't think that was a... I would give the speech that I gave about how to add it, but I've already did that too. As you can see, the shape is looking a little weird. I really don't know why. Cause like, on camera it looks weird. What's going on? The shape is a little weird and it's really making me mad right now, but I think I can move on. Because if I don't, I'm going to spend an hour on this. And yeah, when I do the other eye, hopefully it comes out better. So I think I somewhat kind of lost the orange, so I'm going to go back in with this brush. I'm going to add the orange. Like, take it out, because I kind of like lost some of the orange there, you know. So in the picture she has a little orange and she smokes it out and it fades back into the I'm not gonna use a brush, I'm gonna use this brush. She brings it out. And it goes into the pink color. So we're gonna do that. I just went back in with the red shade right there, and I'm just gonna make it darker right here. This is the stuff I've been gonna add this red color. I'm gonna go in with it. I'll take a little bit of love letter. A little bit. Okay, it's a little bit. I'm going to take it and smoke it out. Yeah. On camera looks a lot more white than it actually is. Okay, so now I think I am finished with this eye. I'm gonna go back with the other eye and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so now I am back. I did the other eye. Did not take as long as, let me tell you, this eye took 2 minutes. 2, and it probably looks like it, not really a lot, probably, yeah. So in the picture, the girl has the pink going under her eye, and then she has the orange, you know, the whole scheme going on, but it's really more so of the pink. So that's what I'm gonna do. When you add stuff under your eyes, do not add fluffy brushes. Do little small brushes like these, because it could get in your eye. I'm going to take a little bit of love letter. I think I'm going to break it in. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. It's very different for me. I don't normally go under my lash because I'm scared. And I
think like that, but it's just the truth. But now, I think it looks good. Hey, look.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done.